medical decisions if you can't because you're incapacitated. That's exactly what a healthcare power of attorney is supposed to do. Hi, I'm Anjali Patel. I'm an attorney in Arizona, and I work with a lot of clients on estate planning issues. Incapacity is a big blind spot that I see in a lot of people's estate plans if they have already drafted them. And that is if you are still alive, but you can't make decisions for yourself because you can't communicate in your current state or you've already experienced mental decline, then you need to have up-to-date healthcare and financial power of attorneys to help, or powers of attorney to help make those decisions for you. Today, we're going to talk about a healthcare power of attorney. You probably see a lot of words floating out there like living will, advanced healthcare directives, these all, or even funeral disposition arrangements. These all sort of get at the same kind of decisions. And that is your medical decision making when you can't communicate. Under Arizona law, and probably in a lot of other states, a medical provider is required to gain your consent before providing treatment. When you can't give consent, a medical provider is stuck in a difficult space where they need to talk to somebody about the potential options of treatment, the downfalls, the consequences, the benefits, and help somebody make a decision whether that treatment is acceptable or not. Under Arizona law, there is a statutory hierarchy. So in other words, if you haven't listed who should make the decisions on your behalf, then the statute provides for a basic framework for making those decisions. But it's not all it's not all blanket, my spouse gets to make decisions for me, and it doesn't cover every circumstance, and it doesn't cover your preferences. This is where prearranging these decisions through an attorney that can help you draft a healthcare power of attorney can be helpful because you can say whether you have feelings about an autopsy, organ donation, blood transfusions, intubation, ventilators, things like that. By making these decisions ahead of time, you also relieve a lot of guilt for your loved ones because they can simply refer to the document and feel comfortable that if you were around to talk to, if you were able to communicate right then and there, then this is what you would want. And that is very relieving for the people that you list as your agent. Thanks again. I'm Anjali Patel, and I'm an estate planning attorney in Arizona.